Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you the tool every crafter must have in their toolkit. Ready? Let's begin. If you're like me, you don't like waiting hours for glue to dry or bother with nails and tape and other methods of attaching or sticking materials together. The fastest, and most often the sturdiest tool to adhere a multitude of materials is a hot glue gun. There are many types of glue guns, of all manner of sizes. But they all basically come in a gun shape. They heat up and melt sticks of glue, which, when inserted in the gun, come out hot and liquidy from the nozzle tip on the other end when the trigger is squeezed. Thus the name, hot glue gun. Glue guns can be found very easily in most bookstores, office supply stores, craft stores and hardware stores. They are relatively inexpensive, but the price range can go from upwards of $50 to as low as $1. You also have a choice between general purpose and heavy-duty glue guns. For crafting, I suggest the all-purpose variety, which is cheaper, lighter, and easier to handle than heavy-duty ones. I got mine at the bookstore for about $2, and it has served me well for a long time. I keep several around the house. One in my toolkit, one in my room and another in the garage. Wherever there's an electrical socket, you can use a glue gun. Glue sticks are made of a plastic-like material that melt inside the glue gun. There are two types, a thin one, shown here, and a thicker one, for bigger glue guns. The type of glue can also vary from general purpose to heavy duty. These days, glue sticks are generally about 10 cents each. I always get a bundle of 50 sticks because I use them often. Some glue guns are regulated by a thermostat for warm and hot melting points. Manufacturers have also added an on-off button to help ensure safety when crafting. You simply switch it off when not in use. This helps conserve energy and glue sticks and is a precaution against fires. As for voltage requirements, most guns use 220 volts. To keep glue out of the way of other materials, use the built-in stand to prop up the gun. Always unplug your glue gun after use. I always try to let the gun rest by unplugging it after 2 hours of continuous usage. In the event that you get some hot glue on your hands, immerse your hand or fingers immediately in cold water. Then, carefully remove the cool glue. Remember, this glue is hot and may cause skin burns. Always exercise caution when handling, especially around children. One of the most obvious advantages of using a hot glue gun is the speed in which the glue dries or sets. With regular white glue or contact cement, you will need to wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes to dry. Glue sticks only take a few seconds to dry, and the bond is strong. A hot glue gun is very useful for adhering fabrics, paper, card, light wood, light metal, and some types of plastic. That being said, there are some materials that glue sticks simply will not adhere to, such as glass, mirror and other heavy-duty materials. You will have to get glue sticks specifically made for these purposes. Glue sticks also may come off in water, so be careful that your project is not meant to be used wet. Aside from craft projects, you can use glue guns around the house to repair things like frames, ceramic vases, or boxes. This makes the glue gun super versatile and handy. Cleanup is a cinch. After using, use a paper towel to wipe excess glue buildup on the nozzle tip of the gun. This helps prolong the life of the tool and also keep the glue flow more efficient and targeted. As long as you keep them well and use them only for their intended purpose, your glue gun and glue sticks are sure to last and serve you for a long time. So, this is my top tool for crafters. I would love for you to share with me your projects. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.